Good morning to all the students. I am Shabani Gundane from Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are going to explain the list which is given by the university related to your practical and the list or content of the practical which is taken by the department. The list of the practical. There are 8 practicals you have to perform, but university give the list of 11 practicals. The first practical is static characteristics of at least one instrument. Second is static calibration at least one instrument. Third, fourth, fifth, that is the measurement of parameter by minimum 3 different types of the instrument. Sixth practical is measurement of linear angular dimension, in which you have to study the apparatus such as vernier caliper, sine bar or calorimeter. The measurement of flatness and straightness, it is the 7th practical. The 8th practical is study and measurement of parameter using the tool maker microscope. The 9th practical is study and measurement of parameter using the optical profile projector. The 10th practical is use of optical flat, and 11th practical is design of limit gauges. Out of these practicals, we are altering the practicals in every years. Therefore, the department has decided to take only the 8 practical as per the guideline of our university, and we are taking these 8 practicals as your manual. That is, first is static characteristics at least one, that you have to study about the linear distance, that is LVDT, linear variable differential transducer. The second practical we are conducting is to study the principle of piezoelectric transducer for a force measurement. It is a study practical. The third practical is measurement of linear dimension using the vernier height gauge. It is also a practical which is performed on the vernier height gauge. The fourth practical is study and measurement of parameter using a optical profile projector. The optical profile projector is available in our practical lab. Therefore, we are performing the practical with respect to these optical flat. The fifth practical is study and measurement of straightness and squareness using autocollimeter. It is the practical which is related as a study practical. The study and measurement of thread parameter using tool maker microscope. It is also your study practical. Use of optical flat and monochromatic light. This monochromatic light instrument is available in our lab. Therefore, we are performing that practical directly on the instrument. And the 8th and last practical is design of limit gauges. These limit gauges are designed with respect to the parameter. For these limit gauges, you have to study the theory, introduction, various parameters which are the materials which is used for the manufacturing of the limit gauges. All the students are know there are 2 types of the limit gauges, that is the go gauge and no go gauge. So all these 8 practicals are included in your syllabus and practical of session 2020-21. So this is all about the practical, and from next class we are doing the practical one by one. Thank you.